Let's see what happened after we install Secure Logbook. If your phone is using Android 13 or above, you will see this extra white dialog. Secure Logbook will work without notifications, but it is recommended to allow them. The app doesn't have any problem with the battery, but Android is very aggressive with the use of battery. If you experience delays on alarms with Secure Logbook or other apps, this window could be the solution for your problems. I will create a video to explain how to do it. Because Secure Logbook is a brand new idea, the About section that we can see here, it shows examples and explains the features inside this app. To explain the idea behind Secure Logbook, I created a help section inside the app and also the YouTube videos to complement the concept. If you want to see again the message for the battery, it is located inside settings. Secure Logbook is loaded with a lot of features to make everything easy. Everything is designed with a natural logic idea. The setting window was red and this one is blue. Red is used to highlight that something is very important or that something is going to be deleted. The yellow color is used for the battery message, but also for the missing tasks or reminders.